Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another one. So, this video is going to be a little bit different. This is my round 2 decluttering, and I have a couple things I gotta see. I got the giggles. That's not one of them. I'm going to show you a bunch of footage of me kind of vlog style showing you everything that I'm decluttering or how I'm organizing, and really a lot of this started with underneath my sink. Like where I'm at right now, there's a sink, and so everything underneath it was a crapshoot. I've completely organized that, and I had a lot of like stuff down there, like hair tools and just yada yada yada. So it got completely organized, and with that being thought of, I was really going hardcore through my closet, which is right here, and I have makeup that I've deemed that I want to declutter, donate, sell, whatever the case may be, and then I have some kind of like just storage. Like I still want it, but I can't keep all of that stuff out on the counter. I'm not Desi Perkins. It can't stay out. I went through and organized my drawers, which I keep foundations and moisturizers in, and I really went through my vanity and pulled out stuff that I don't need to keep, that I'm not in love with, that is expired, you know, whatever the situation may be. So I hope you enjoy this makeup declutter. It's kind of a little vlog style because it's been over the course of a week. It definitely wasn't just like a one and done situation, but I found it therapeutic, and hopefully you find it helpful, and let's get started. So this is inside my closet. This is clothes. This is the makeup situation. There's makeup in here as well. And then I keep my special effects somewhere else. So I'm trying to get to the point where one drawer, this one in the middle so far, is the stuff that is keep. So like these are samples that I need to get rid of. This is like literally all ABH stuff. So I'm going through this and organizing it and making sure that it is all stuff that I am letting go, and then I need to go through this drawer as well and do the exact same thing. Like I want to keep that, but some of this is let go. And the stuff that I want to keep, I'm kind of putting on a chopping block over here on. I'm going to do a declutter of, or a more cutthroat declutter of all the things that I accumulate. So this is where I've gotten to now. I've really tried to fill up this drawer with the stuff that's got to go. And then I have a lot of space up here in the other drawer of stuff that needs to go. So that way I can go through this guy, and you know what, I'll quickly show you what's in this thing too. Oh, and then this, for reference, looks like this. Okay, so this thing, it's got 4 compartments. Over here it looks like lipstick and lip liners, and then this is like a bundle of different lip glosses kind of in here. And then this is, there's like a little BB cream concealer kit, and then there's a lot of melt lipsticks, some concealers, and then this looks like color eyeliner, which I bet you some of those have dried out, especially that Stila. I'm sure that guy's probably fine though. Right now, I'm going through the drawer. This is where I keep a lot of like certain moisturizers, masks, and etc, etc. So I'm going through and kind of being cut through with this and putting it with my round 2 declutter pile. So here's my drawer, quasi-organized. I'll go through this like in a future inventory, but this is what I'm going to actually throw away. I've got set up over here that Check Cosmetic, where a lot of this stuff is actually expired foundation. I don't know, I just had the trash here. Banana Bright Eye Cream. I never noticed a difference with that. This is what I think I'm going to keep right now. My Holy Grail palette. This is a blush palette. Loose highlighter. I need to decide if I'm going to actually use it. And I pulled out my Champagne Pop. I don't know what's wrong with me. This contour powder is still good. So I'm going to see if I can use any of that this year or let it go. It's a good Julie Hewitt, like flat top kabuki brush, and this is empty. I'm going to keep both of these. I've depotted both of these before, so I'm going to put this as well as, I put this all back in the box for some damn reason. I actually really like that gloss, and that liquid lip is cute, and just the amount that I'll actually go through in life. And then these two shades are actually quite nice, so I'm going to pull these out again. Same thing with these two, and put them in this magnetic palette. I got my two Kylies in here, and now I realize why I don't have this in here. I'm trying to make sure I stay true to the whole, like, this middle drawer is stuff I want to keep. So I put those two highlighters, a little brush, and some of those extra little accoutrements in here. So then that way this is truly a declutter drawer. I'm really going to go through this, and if there's something that I'm genuinely just not using, I'm going to start pulling it out and wishing it greener pastures. So we're going to start going drawer by drawer, pulling this kind of stuff out, and do another declutter. Okay, so I just want to show really quick. This is like a hamper of stuff when we were renovating the bathroom that I had to get out of the bathroom cabinet. This is a bunch of stuff that is expired or stuff that I don't like. Like, God, I love this, but I need to get rid of it. It's empty. I've just held on the container for memories. More Dr. Brandt I don't like. And this is the stuff that I have to kind of find a home. Some things that I do need to try. Some different cleansing oils. So there's more decluttering. Things like this that I keep looking at. So there's like, together they make one palette, but I have this right here that's all Natasha Denona, and I have this too. So I feel like already I need to get like another one of these that's this big so they can all go together in a bigger palette. Plus there's some other things that I want to depot. Down here, everything has got like a basket to sit into. Everything is organized. I have gone through and like gotten rid of whatever I need to get rid of down here. So I'm pretty excited about that. So now I can like pull stuff out. Yada yada yada. So now I can paint these freaking whatchamacallits and it doesn't blend right into the damn floor. I'm gonna go through each drawer and really decide like what I don't want to keep anymore and move it out, and we'll do like an overall declutter review of those goodies. So I'll do like a time-lapse version of the drawers specifically, all the little accoutrement stuff on top, and then I have all of this up here to go through. We'll talk about all that stuff, and then we'll do individual makeup inventories. It's an 8-part series. Just kidding. I was really trying to consolidate, and there were some things that also, like in my declutter, I wasn't using because I wasn't looking at it, so I decided let me put those in a Z palette. Let me depot them. These Block Party shadows, I never use them because the solid black packaging. And then I took these 3 blue purple shades from this Party Animal palette. All of this bulk is able to physically go away. And then I just have this bulk to deal with. Okay, so let's go through the declutter pile. Okay, I'll start with what's right in front of me. I have 3 highlighters. First of all, this one by RMS Beauty. This is the Magic Luminizer. There's a lot in here. It's still good, but it's got a coconut base, so it's not my favorite. The Wet n Wild Loose Moon Tears highlighter. I don't reach for it because it's a loose highlighter. This Putty Kitten highlighter. This guy. Look how dirty this is. So dirty. And the reason why is because these shades flake like crazy. And I thought about depotting like maybe these 2 shades, that'd be interesting, but I don't want them to fuck up everything else that I have in there, knowing how dirty they get this. And I like it, but it's a fucking mess. Let's go through this. So this is the Textured Shadows palette by Huda. I'm not a fan of Huda Booty, but the main reason why I'm getting rid of this, and I think I'm just going to throw it away, is all of these awesome shades up here. They don't do anything anymore. They don't even pick up. She won't come back to life. Okay. This is NARS Orgasm. I'm still kind of on the fence if I want to keep this or not. I have so many things that are just like this. Or do I? I literally never reach for this thing. So this is a single Bobbi Brown shadow. It literally says Luxe Eyeshadow Rich Sparkle. It feels like it should be like kind of the other way around. This won't do it justice at all. This, I'm still on the fence if I want to depot one of these shades. This is the round 1 of Desi and Katie, and I have round 2 as well. The only thing I really like are maybe these 2 shades down here. Realistically, this one, which is, I think, Turbo Sun. And then these last 2, I'm kind of sad to say they need to go away, but I'm kind of like, which one should I talk about first? Okay. The Suva Beauty Block Party palette. This is even something too that I'm like, ooh, maybe I should depot some of these. Because since I've depotted, what, 3 different things, now I'm like, I'm gonna do everything. These dark mattes, bitch. But like Lemonade, Drunk Love, Milkshake, those 3, like you can put them on, it goes away. It literally disappears. Like you have to pack it on in order for it to perform. It's weird. It's so weird. My hand looks like Mardi Gras. It's awesome. Second thing, I don't reach for this because of the shape of it, and every time I touch it, I get glitter everywhere. This is the Hank and Henry, the King's Queen. I love these shades. These are easily dupable in my collection, but it's the shit down here that is amazing. Unfortunately, I'm not going to open it and show it to you because every time I open it, these loose pearls, this loose pigment is so lightweight, like it has 0 density. Like MAC pigments, the Mega Forever pigments that I have, like all of those things, when you open the lid, they don't flutter everywhere. This flutters everywhere. Like I can still see it floating in the air a little bit. And then when you shut it, when you snap it shut, like I have learned, don't do that anywhere near, like if I have brushes or like cream products out, like I do it down here, like. So I have a bunch of random shit in front of me. This was in my project pan last year. I've already said that I need to get rid of it a couple times, and for some reason I keep holding on to it. It is empty all the way to the actual bottom. This is the Hydrating Concealer by Becca. I love this so fucking much, but I need to get rid of it. Like, it's embarrassingly bad, and I don't know what's stopping me from just going and picking up a new fucking tube. These gel eyeliners by Tarte, I got these in a 4-pack Christmas 2017, maybe 2016, I don't know. Actually, it probably was 2016 because they did a 4-pack. They didn't do a 4-pack of these this past holiday season. They did one the year before that and the year before that, and it was 2016. Okay, I don't want to give these to anybody because I don't think that's appropriate for how old they probably are. This is a double-ended Urban Decay pencil. I couldn't tell you how fucking old this is. So this is a black pencil from Make It Forever. So these guys I'm throwing away. Whew, I feel good. This mint-colored eyeliner from Stila is DOA, probably old AF. This I'm on the fence about. I should probably put this in my special effects kit. This is a milk pencil. It's a tattoo stamp of a star. My only issue with it is that it kind of stains you. Lip glosses. I have 2 MAC lip glosses. If you only knew how many of these I've actually just straight up bought, and I think they're $17 a piece. No comment. This is Nymphet and Purr. I'm getting rid of those 2. I never use them. So I have this old ass Dose of Colors lip gloss that is super peach and opaque and patchy as hell. This is RSVP by ColourPop, which is super cute. It's like baby doll 13-year-old pink, which I am neither. This, however, this is the shade Goddess by Lorac, and this like purple color lip gloss. Oh, bitch. This was my... Oh, it smells so good. This was my jam, and it took just one day of me seeing it in like normal work light to realize that I looked like I was dead, and yeah, that's where we're at. This is from CoverGirl. This was like a Star Wars thing that they did. This is it's Lip Lava. This is like straight up red with blue glitter in it. It is interessante. This is by YSL. I love these. This is the Tint and Oil. But no matter what shade you get, which I have 2 of these, it makes your lips this color. So this color is the fucking same as this color. There's not one that keeps your lips just straight nude. Like, they automatically just like pink, like Kool-Aid pink. So I decided to go with just keeping one of them. And then I have some lipsticks. First of all, I have this liquid lipstick still in the box, Bear With Me by Dose of Colors. This was like a freebie, and I got with that situation. This, I decided to let go of one of my Dior lipsticks. This is the one with the center. It's got a little circle inside of it. I'm not really using these like super pinky, white gold metallic shades. This is Weirdo, which is right here by Urban Decay, and I love their packaging. See how much I've actually loved this? This is how much I have left. I think this is too old. I need to look that up as well, but it's just bubblegum pink. This by Hourglass is called Nude Number 1, the Femme Nude colors. Ugh. Day 1 since I purchased this, I should have just returned it, I guess. This smells really bad, and that's all I gotta say about that. This is my Pat McGrath lipstick. I think this is... I can't tell. I don't know. It's something new. It's just too light. So, okay. My next step here is to get rid of all this shit. So, I will either donate, throw away, depot. I don't want to keep holding on to stuff that I know I'm not going to use. So that's what these multiple massive declutters are all about. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.